Hello, I'm Nurse Devi. Today, I'll show you how to properly wear and care for your compression stockings. Compression stockings are essential for reducing your leg swelling to prevent complications such as ulcers. Upon prescription from the doctor, you will need to purchase a pair of medical-grade compression stockings. Before putting on your stockings each day, examine your legs carefully. Look for redness, discoloration, or pain, especially around your ankles and cuffs. Check for any open wounds, ulcers, or breaks in the skin. Watch for non-healing wounds or fluid leakage. If you notice any discharge or new wounds, contact your doctor immediately. Next, test for swelling by pressing your finger firmly against your ankle or shin for 3 to 5 seconds. If it leaves a dent, this indicates fluid retention. Compression stockings combined with leg elevation can help reduce this swelling. If you have had a recent surgery, inspect the surgical site daily for redness, swelling, or discharge. Keep the area clean and dry at all times. Contact your doctor immediately if you experience new or severe pain over your legs. The medical-grade stockings are available in 3 lengths: pantyhose, thigh length, and knee length, in either closed or open-toed versions. You will be recommended the classification type based on your extent of venous problem, leg measurements, and personal comfort preferences. Special applicators are available to help you put on compression stockings easily. You can find out more from your doctor or specialty nurse. Poor circulation often causes dry and itchy skin. Apply fragrance-free moisturizer at least 4 times daily to keep your skin healthy. Avoid scratching itchy areas, as these can create new wounds or lead to infection. Before putting on your compression stockings, follow these steps. First, inspect the legs for any open wounds, redness, or swelling. Next, check stockings to ensure they are in good condition with no tears or damage. Apply moisturizer generously to your lower legs using circular motions, allowing complete absorption. Turn the stocking inside out down to heel section. Don the applicator over the foot. Place the stockings over the applicator in the position towards the heel, donning it over the foot and heel. Gently pull the inverted stocking up beyond ankle to just below the knee. Smooth out any wrinkles or creases to ensure even pressure distribution. Remove the applicator carefully. To remove the stockings, gently pull them down below the ankle level. Then use the thumbs to scoop the stocking away from the heel and remove completely. If someone is helping you, ensure the caregiver sits parallel to you for the best angle. Follow the same inspection and moisturizing steps as above. The application process is identical, but caregivers should pay special attention to smoothing out creases, as this can create a tightening effect which can restrict blood flow. To wash your compression stockings, fill a basin with room temperature water, enough to cover the stockings completely. Add a few drops of mild liquid soap. If the stockings are particularly soiled, you may use more soap. Submerge the stockings and soak for 10 minutes without rubbing vigorously. After soaking, gently rub to remove any dirt or soil. Then pour the soapy water away. Rinse thoroughly in clean water until all soap is removed. Squeeze the stockings slowly and gently until no water drips out, but never pull or rub harshly. Avoid wringing your stockings. Place the stockings on a clean tray on a flat surface, allowing them to air dry completely before wearing. Avoid machine wash, tumble dry, hanging under direct sunlight, or placing them near heat sources, as this can damage the compression fibers and reduce effectiveness. Check for signs of fading color, runs, tears, or loss of elasticity. It is advisable to replace your stockings every 3 to 4 months, even if they appear to be in good condition, to maintain the adequate pressure levels. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Do not fold the top of your stockings to make them shorter or more comfortable. This creates a tight band that can apply pressure and cause skin damage. Ensure proper fit. Stockings shouldn't be too loose or too tight, as incorrect sizing wouldn't provide the right pressure. Wear your stockings in the morning when swelling is the least. Wear your compression stockings throughout the day for maximum benefit. If you work night shifts, wear them during your working hours. Always remove them before bedtime. Elevate your legs to heart level when resting and perform ankle movement exercises to improve circulation. Lastly, it's important to maintain a well-balanced diet, exercise regularly, quit smoking, and manage your weight for optimal leg health. Keep your toenails trimmed to prevent damage to your compression stockings. Always monitor if your legs remain swollen despite regular stocking use and elevation, or if swelling increases, especially on one side. Seek help if you experience increased pain, discomfort, burning, or heaviness in your limbs, or if pain worsens after putting on your stockings. If you notice redness, warmth, feel pain, develop new wounds like blisters or ulcers, this may suggest infection. Please contact us at 6900 5000 for enquiries or to book a doctor's appointment.